Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the financials of some of the world's biggest companies. Today, we're taking a closer look at Berkshire Hathaway's performance over the last 4 quarters, comparing their latest results to the promises and guidance they've made in the past. Berkshire Hathaway, led by the legendary Warren Buffett, is known for its diversified portfolio and strong financials. But how has the company fared in the most recent quarters? And how do these results stack up against what was promised? Let's dive in. Starting with Q3 2023, Berkshire Hathaway reported net earnings attributable to shareholders of $9.4 billion, a significant decrease from the $10.3 billion reported in Q2 2023. This drop was primarily due to lower gains in their investment portfolio, which has always been a volatile component of their earnings. The insurance underwriting segment, which includes Geico, saw a decline in profitability due to higher claims costs and a decrease in premium volumes. Despite these challenges, Berkshire managed to maintain a strong position thanks to its diverse holdings in other sectors like utilities and energy, where earnings were more stable. In Q4 2023, Berkshire Hathaway reported revenues of $52.6 billion, a slight decline of 1.1% compared to the same quarter in 2022. The decrease was driven by lower revenues from their grocery and food service businesses, partially offset by a small increase in the beverage sector. One of the standout issues in this quarter was the impact of rising costs, particularly in energy operations. The company's U.S. utilities experienced a significant drop in after-tax earnings, largely due to increased operating expenses and losses from wildfires. This was a key area where the company had previously expressed optimism, expecting stable or growing margins in their energy business. However, the company's earlier projections for the energy sector didn't fully anticipate these challenges. This discrepancy between expectations and reality highlights the unpredictability of external factors like natural disasters. Moving into 2024, the first quarter showed some recovery, with net earnings rebounding to $13.2 billion. The insurance segment, in particular, improved as claims frequencies normalized and premium volume stabilized. Yet, it's important to note that the company still faces pressures from inflation and fluctuating investment returns. Berkshire Hathaway had anticipated some of these challenges, but the extent of the impact from inflation on operating costs and the continued volatility in their equity investments were underestimated in their previous guidance. In Q2 2024, Berkshire reported mixed results. Revenue from their insurance and other segments grew, but there were continued declines in their energy sector. The utilities and energy business saw a further reduction in earnings due to higher interest expenses and lower utility margins. Interestingly, despite these headwinds, Berkshire Hathaway remains cautiously optimistic about the future. The company has been focusing on increasing its cash reserves, which grew to $43.1 billion by the end of Q2 2024. This reflects their strategy to stay prepared for any economic downturns and to seize opportunities as they arise. So what's the takeaway? Berkshire Hathaway, despite facing significant challenges in recent quarters, continues to be a financial powerhouse. While some of their segments have underperformed relative to past promises, the company's overall strategy of diversification and prudent financial management has allowed it to weather these storms. As we look ahead, investors will be keen to see how Berkshire navigates the ongoing economic uncertainties and whether they can deliver on their promises in the coming quarters. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click that like button, or don't, it's totally up to you. And if you absolutely hated it, smash that subscribe button to let us know. Either way, we appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.